Hey guys, my name is welcome on this new trading channel. I am more than happy that you click on this video. In today's video, we'll dive into an impressive semi-automated trading strategy called PolarityATI by FuturesAnalytica. Get ready to witness its power and learn how it can achieve consistent gains in the markets. It operates based on buying or selling imbalances that give you the quick edge over market, and you can execute this strategy pretty simply. Through this video, we'll analyze PolarityATI's principles and showcase real-time trading examples. You'll see how it leverages automation to identify reversals and capture quick profit opportunities in a small time frame. Actually, the main advantage of this strategy is that you don't have to dedicate the whole day of trading. You just have to hop on for the first 30 minutes of the market open or the last 30 minutes of market close called power hour. That's what I really like about this strategy, that you don't have to waste all the time looking into charts that you get headaches from. Just first 30 minutes, it's really simple, but the trading psychology included in this strategy is also pretty big, as in all of the strategies. Like, guys, if it would be easy, everyone would have done it. So be thankful that it's actually this hard. So right now I'm armed a regression both because we can see a chop forming here under this red derived zone that we could bounce off. The only way I could switch to trend mode is if we get a strong delta on this candle with imbalances coming in. But for now I'm keeping it in the regression. We can already see the delta rising, so have an eye on trend mode. Yeah, and also, guys, if we get the blue close on this candle, you can already see that we are on a 15 range candle chart. If we get it would be a complete reversal candle, so it would be some strength in the market by the buyers, so we should break this level. But as we can see, we have a uptrend here. We already broke these highs, so with a high delta, we have high probability of breaking it, and the buying imbalances would just confirm that. So that's what is going through my head, if that's clear to you. Yeah, delta is rising, and we can see this absorption right here that we should be bouncing off, because if we have an imbalance over this zero, we often tend to bounce off that to the POC. So basically, we could make a strategy based on that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna switch to trend mode because delta is already, it's rising pretty fast. So that's why I just flipped to trend mode. Okay, a strong delta, bullish hammer candle, so we shouldn't be afraid of anything. Imbalance is coming in. Let's see how fast this candle develops. Okay, we got filled with a slippage in the trade. I'm not really happy with that. As we might see a return to the mean, and it's not that fast moving, but we have our rules, so I'm gonna stick with this trade and not close it, because it's actually one of the biggest mistakes I make, that I close trades early. Okay, we can see pretty nice bullish movement. Okay. So now I switch to regression mode because I think the price should return to these unfinished auctions, and we will fill these derived zones. So yeah, guys, that's the main reason why I switched here to regression. The delta is getting weaker, and we'll basically, I think we'll fill these derived zones and we'll chop around them. At this point, it's once again the imbalance, and over it there is a zero, so pretty strong level. Or if we get a complete sweep of delta or anything like that. But for now, regression mode. Okay, as we could see, once again we got a bounce of this level. As I said, red number and 0 or blue number and 0, strong levels. We see bounces of them. In this not really quick market, we could actually take advantage of this and make a whole different strategy. Okay, flip to trend mode. Uh, yeah, but we got another level like this, so actually regression is fine once again. Only if we break through once again, I'm gonna. Yeah, I think this is a trend mode. Delta and price pretty nicely correlated, 700, 800, 600. So I think we are pretty safe with trend mode right here. So guys, as you can see, I am recording this voiceover after watching my market replay, and you could see that here I was a bit confused. The confusion actually came from my own mind, and I was thinking about where the market is going. I was just thinking that it will return back to the double derived zone, and I completely forgot about the truth about polarity, that you should arm based on delta and price correlation and price action. Both of these two factors, main factors, were in the trend favor. So there was mistake of mine that I even flipped into regression mode for a while, because you can see delta is still strong, it's still green. It didn't even flip from the market open. From market open we saw only green deltas, green candles, so there was a clear trend, and I am lucky that I didn't get a regression entry here. Yeah, so just to let you know, guys. So what is in my head right now? I think the price will return to this area, and we could see either bounce of that area, or just with a strong delta we might just push through and return to this area where we had so much volume at the market open. POC here, and just return to this area of high volume. But it depends on the delta, we'll see. Okay. Once again, if we see a reversal like this one with a strong delta, we'll see definitely a strong bullish momentum
Order
to the
filled.
upside. Yeah, I'll probably close this one because we see no continuation whatsoever.
Target filled.
Okay, we got full. Guys, this is my second voiceover after the trading session, and here I almost made a second mistake. Closing your trades early is very bad for a long run because you just don't get the results that the edge provides you. And I am very lucky that I got filled so fast because I was about to move my take profit. This one, very nice fill, very quick. But now I'm going to stay off the market as we see that I have a nice alpha. One of 5 contracts actually. And now, okay, now what I'm gonna do is arm short in trend, and I'm gonna actually say why.
Order filled.
Okay, we got filled because we saw two imbalances right here and the 0. That's a pretty strong level that we are gonna be bouncing off. Also, we saw decreasing from 1000 to like 0, and we are actually lucky to get filled off these imbalances, as adversary detection usually tends to not fill us on these ones. So actually this was a pretty hard trade to catch, and I'm gonna tell you why I think I caught it. Why I was the, as they say, the lucky one. Well, it wasn't luck at all. I was in a state of mind called the zone because I won two separate trades and I won them by full profit and just little to no drawdown. And my mind get got into this thing called the zone where you have a clarity of thinking and you just can sense the market. And I just saw the delta flush, not really consciously, but in my unconscious mind, I just saw this delta flush combined with these two imbalances, and I saw a market reversal, which is very, very hard to spot. Once. Yeah, well, pretty nice, but I feel like we are sort of fighting the trend, which is against my rules. But yeah, we don't see it real often, these two imbalances right there. If you could see with the zero, pretty strong level. We could have just scalped it right here, but I like to keep my RR 12-12, 3 points, because it's just best. That's why Connor does it, the author of this strategy. Yeah, Delta is picking up again. We might get stopped out, but these imbalances will hold the price lower. We'll see. I might be wrong, as everybody else can be. Yeah, it just appeared once again. Shows the strength of this level. Also, sellers are just coming in at this level. I will just mark it as a very strong level, because we can see sellers coming in, coming from 1000 delta to negative 500 on this level. But also I need to mention buyers coming in at this level, which is unfortunate for us because we have our take profit just under that level. But I think we're gonna need to fill these unfinished imbalances and these mainly. Yeah, but since market open, we can see just a huge bull run. Yeah, we may get just stop it out because we are fighting the trend. We run into some selling in this trade here because of these two selling imbalances. Yeah, it doesn't look too good, but let's stick with our RR and trust the process. Yeah, we can see we run into a pretty important level. Let's see this horizontal level. We got stopped here, here, and here, so the market could reverse after this pretty big bull run after breaking these highs that we took advantage of, and we took, I think, 2 wins here. So yeah, if we win this one, I'm gonna call it a day because my rules are 3 wins or 2 losses, and I go out of the market as I make decisions that are not really the best ones because of my psychology. I just cannot trade for more than that. Yeah, unfortunately for there is a big support on this buying imbalance and zero, so we are gonna see some bouncing as we saw 2 times now, and if we break, we're gonna break. Okay, so this is actually the same scenario as we saw here, but as I am in a trade, I won't get advantage or disadvantage of that because it just doesn't make sense, right? Okay, looks pretty nice to me. I think we should actually rearm the strategy as we are having a pretty strong delta with many selling in block. Actually, guys, there I made another mistake. It was a mistake of greed because I said that I would be done, but when I saw this flash of delta and nice opportunity for us, I took the trade, but it was a mistake as I denied
Well,
my trading rules.
Hoping for a short entry right here.
Order filled.
Okay, pretty nice fill. Strong delta. We should see some continuation. I might actually disarm it after this win or loss because we will run into this pretty big derive zone. I guess I just ignore this one because there was a ton of selling pressure as we could see, like 1000 delta, also 1000 negative delta, and many imbalances as we could see here. There are also many imbalances, yeah. And if we win this one, I'm 4-0, and I'm just very satisfied with this trading session. So I'm gonna call it a day.
Target filled.
So even though the last trade worked out pretty nicely with basically zero drawdown, I take it as a failure of mine because I didn't follow my trading rules. But sum this day up, it was a pretty easy day. Just trend. If you were just perma armed in trend both, I think you would have just been 4-0 like me. And yeah, this day was a trending free alpha. In the beginning of the day, we got a pretty nice bull movement, and then it just reversed at one point. That okay, the point was quite predictable, I must say, but it just reversed completely. No pullbacks, no nothing. It just reversed and continued down trending. But we had zero reasons to switch to regression, as we had price and delta correlation. We had nice imbalances in the direction. So I would classify this day as free alpha, and it's very nice that we took advantage of this day. So thanks for your attention, and if you have any questions regarding Polarity ADI or prop firms, reach me out in the comments or suggest a new video topic. I would love to see what interests you guys, and see you next time. Thank you.